Blessed is the one who does not follow the advice of the wicked, or stand in the pathway with sin.